Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam elegant cloche. And so what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. The floral diamond wrap is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need one of these clear plastic bowls. You'll also need one of these silver trays. You're going to need 1 or 2 packs of these round Tealight holders. If you cannot find the round Tealight holders, you can use whatever shape they have in stock. Now I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use additional items, I will link those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant cloche turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. But there you have it, you guys, another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.